I get a lot of questions asking me if I carry a portable power station to my job sites. Well, today's video, I'm showing you my favorite portable power station, Anker Solex 1000. I'm also going to give you a discount and show you how to get that discount and where to get it, and I'm going to feature their Bluetooth app. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to show you exactly what I've got and go over all the data. I'm on Signature Solar's website right now. Let's go over what I have. So it looks like we've got 1,056 watt hours of long-lasting LFP battery. So that's good. Expandable up to 2,112 watt hours. So it's expandable. You can connect more of these together. We've got 1,800 watts of pure sine wave AC output. We can run 2,400 watt loads with the surge pad. Right here is where it says surge pad. Then it says hyper flash AC input 0 to 100% in 58 minutes. We've got 600 watt max solar input, so we can actually put 600 watts of solar panels to connect to this to power it, charge it. We've got a remote app control, so an app to control it. And then it says 5-year warranty and 10-year lifespan. Let's go over what we got. So we've got the Anker Solex C1000X portable power station. We got the beautiful carrying case with the window. I like the window. And then we've got one of their foldable portable solar panels. And this is the 100 watt solar panel. Let's go ahead and start plugging stuff in. Before we can plug anything into this portable power station, we have to make sure it's charged. So we come right here and we click this button, or we can look at the app. It says 90%. If it's not charged, here's a cord right here. We plug it into this port, and then we plug it into our home's receptacle. And once we plug it in, we can come back to our screen right here, and it's going to start showing some input wattage. So 600 watts, and it says 0.2 hours till we're charged to 100%. So it would take less than 30 minutes to charge from a wall's receptacle into our portable power station. We're going to go ahead and leave it at 90%. We're going to get started. Let's start plugging stuff in. So first, I'm going to plug in my laptop right here. Make sure you click this button here. This is going to turn on our AC outlets. This one turns on our DC outlets. So now that we've turned on our AC outlets, you can see we're charging our computer, and it's using 65 watts. So now let's plug in our Milwaukee battery. Next, we're using 86 watts right now. Plugging it in next. Now let's see if our wattage jumps up. Our green LED is on for the Milwaukee battery. And it looks like we're still at about 35, 34 watts. Let's plug in my DeWalt battery. So we got DeWalt battery, Milwaukee battery, and computer. Let's see if it jumps up any. Ooh, 91 watts. All right, now let's plug in an actual fireplace electric heater. So we're going to plug this into where it says surge pad. See that? Surge pad. This is the outlet we can power 2,400 watts with. Now this electric fireplace, I got this from Turbo. Really cool. It's got a remote controller for it. Now we're just running the lights. Let's see what we get. Looks like we're nothing over, looks like it's adjusting maybe 65, 97 watts. Okay, 135 watts. So right now we're not really using a lot. Let's go ahead and turn on the heat. As we turn on the heat, we're going to pull a lot more wattage. Let's see if this can handle it. So we're pulling 1,400 right now, 1,488 watts. And it says at this rate, we could power that 1,400 watts for the next 0.6 hours. So probably about 35, 40 minutes. And you can hear the Anker Solex is Fan is pushing out air. Yep. Fan's pushing out air over here. And it's working. Let's plug some more stuff in. Let's plug in this fan. Turn it on. And it looks like our total wattage now is 1,537. Looks like it'll power all of this for the next 30 minutes. Let's plug in something else. Let's use this last receptacle. Let's plug in another fan. Turn it all the way up. Looks like we're pulling 1,600 watts now. 1,645. All right, let's plug in 2 heaters this time. Let's really put this portable power station to the test. I've got 2 electric heaters, and I know combined they're going to be pulling a lot more wattage or using a lot more wattage than this can output. But let's see what happens when we overload it. So power and heat. Let's see what we got. 1,381 watts. Now let's turn on the electric heater. Power. Let's turn the heat up. And the fan speed up. All right. Now let's see what we get. 1,800 watts. 2,279 watts. 2,353 watts. It's still running. Oh, and it says overload. Overload, okay. It's nice to know that when we use more wattage than what our Anker Solex power station is rated for, that it doesn't cause any damage to our portable power station. It just simply says overload and it shuts down. Now, we're going to turn on this power station using the app, and I'm going to show you the features. Now let's dive into the app. So you want to type in the Google search bar Anker or Anker Solex to find that app. Once you find the app, download it, click on the icon. You're going to bring up your device if you've connected it. You want to make sure your device is on, so I turned on the portable power station, and then I used the Bluetooth to connect to that device. You can see the device right here, and when we click on it, it brings it up, and you can see we have 77% charge for our portable power station. And we can also see that we have a temperature displayed. Looks like I'm reconnecting right now. It says 84 degrees for my temperature for my batteries. So that's a nice indication that we have there. Now at the very bottom, you're going to see where it says screen, and then there's a power symbol beside it. Click that button to turn on the screen. Then up above it, you've got brightness. There's a bar right here which is used for a light. In case you're camping, you can actually click the light symbol and you can turn that light from low to medium to high output. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Now when we go on up, we can see there's AC output and carport. If we want to turn on our AC receptacles, we click the power button beside AC output. Now we can actually turn on our electric fireplace. Just turned it on. We should be able to see some wattage outputting. So looks like we've got about 1,381 watts. Looks like we've got a little graph here to display our power. And then if you want to turn on your DC output right here, maybe because you got something in your car you're using, maybe you're using some type of device but it needs DC power, we're going to click the power button right there. Then we've got our USBs and we can turn those on as well. This is the app, very nice, and it gives us remaining usage time at the top. So 30 minutes with the 1,369 watts we're using. Then we can turn everything back off, power, turn off our device, and it shuts off. Really nice app. When I purchased this power station, I got a kit, and the kit came with a foldable portable solar panel. So I'm going to show you how to plug that in. You just take the MC4 connectors and you plug the MC4 connectors in, and then you plug in this little yellow plug right here. into this port on the end of the portable power station. And that's it. You can power this with the PV, and maybe you're camping, so during the day this is charging, and by nighttime you can use it.
Okay.
I got this portable power station from Signature Solar. I get all of my solar powered air conditioners, my solar kits, bundles, solar panels from Signature Solar, and you can use this link right here, which is my link, and you can get $50 off of your purchase at Signature Solar. I also put the link down in the description. Let's go dive into Signature Solar's website, and I'll show you exactly where you can find this. So we pull up the website, Signature Solar. We click the box with the 3 little white bars, the top left-hand corner, and then we see a column that says brands, and then you're going to notice the third choice up from the bottom says Anchor. So we're going to click Anchor. That's our brand. Then we're going to scroll down, and you're going to be able to see all the portable power stations, the different sizes that they offer, and then Signature Solar has kits where they have a certain panel you can choose from and a certain portable power station. So if we scroll on down, we're going to see the one that we're using here, and it's the Anchor Solex C1000X and solar panels. So if we scroll down after we click that, we can choose whether we're going to get the 100 watt, the 200 watt, or the 400 watt foldable solar panel with our Anchor portable power station. Then we go to the bottom, and we can add this to our cart. We can check out the data sheets, the user manuals. If you have a question, Signature Solar has an answer. You can actually click on their website and you can see their phone numbers displayed. You can give them a call and they'll actually help you design your solar system for free. If you haven't seen their solar powered air conditioner, click the link to this video to go check it out. I did a full install and I show you how to install the air conditioner as well. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something. If you did learn something, let me know what it was down in the comments. If you got a question, remember, questions can lead to new content, so put your questions down below. But if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and let me know where you're from. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.